Good morning. We're in a chicken coop. Well, this is my chicken coop, and I got baby chicks.
Is it still cold for them to go outside?
Yeah, it's cold right now. Yesterday would have been good. Look at the babies. 15-day-old Dominiques that I got from Bakersfield, and they need a house because they're growing really fast, and I'm so excited. I love these birds. They're so fun. They're so cute. And grow, and a lot of people like chickens. So they're a good time. So I wanted to show you my coop as to like what we've done to this shed that we have here. We did a lot of this stuff last year when I first decided I wanted to get baby chicks, but there was a Newcastle outbreak last year and I couldn't get any. And this year I pulled the trigger and I did it. I got the chicks, and they're upstairs in my guest room. That's my guest room, that's my podcast room, that's where content is made, and I can't do that with chicks in there. So we're out in the barn today. It's not a barn, it's a chicken coop, excuse me. We're out at the chicken coop today. So I'm just gonna give you a tour, and let me know what you think. I want your input. I know I need to have nesting boxes. These is like, you know, what I envisioned for nesting boxes. I'll do a tour, and then if you have any questions, let me know, or leave any comments, questions. Thanks for watching. Like the video, why not? And subscribe, come back. It's gonna be fun. And then leave yours down there, and then I follow back. Let's do this. Okay, so this is the backyard. This is just the vegetation. You know the backyard, you've seen it. So I cut this part, we've sectioned this part off for the chickens. So my husband put those posts out there so we could, you know, just enclose it this way to keep any like hawks out, because we do have hawks and they come for the birds all the time. The pigeons, I've seen it. It's brutal. I'm under the impression that when the chickens get to a certain size, then the hawks aren't a problem. And if there's a rooster, then there's not a problem. So, I don't know, we just did it this way because I do want them to kind of be free range. So to, you know, come in and come out, but it's cold right now and it's too cold for them. I think I'll have to put some heat in here somehow. So, we can, you know, drop a cord and run it to the house. We cut the back door out so we can enter through the back door and, you know, come in, which we can still do. I got this big old stick. It's amazing. Stuck. So I got it. It looks like a dragon for a perch for them. I kept it. I got it in a load of wood chips, and I had this big long stick in it. So I think this would be a perfect perch, right? I think I can do different things with it. I could probably secure it a little better. Maybe even put it up top, something. We've got wiggle room. This was, it is a shed, obviously. when we bought the house, it was here. So we don't store stuff. We might need to one day, but at this time we don't. And so I'm using it as a home for my chickie babies. So we have this little action here. I don't know what I could do. Maybe I could put, this could be a nest box, right? Think that could be a nest box? Maybe one? Maybe put one there, then they can hop up here. I need to put more steps for them. And then I imagine that could have been a nesting box. And this can be like 2 nesting boxes. We need to cut that in half. And then we'll put I don't even know if we really even need a door right here. But we could put a door right here so we can, you know, come in and come out. The birds could, you know, perch here. I want to put some nesting boxes here. So, you know, I can get the eggs that way. I just feel like I have a lot of space, which is good. You know, the chickens need space. I can, you know, do something here. They'll need their water and their food and, you know, things of that nature. But I feel like I gotta, you know, I just have to lay it out. Let me know what you think.